Guys, I might have fucked up. It said it was supposed to be 90 degrees and sunny all day today. And it is 6 o'clock and that's not 90 degrees and that's not sunny either. There was a big storm that passed through like 15 minutes ago. About 30 minutes ago. It's dried out for the most part and it looks like I've got a little bit of a clearing. But I got a 20-minute ride home, so this is about to get real interesting and we might get to try out rain mode. Okay, I'm getting sprinkled on. This is about to be a really not fun ride home. And of course I got my wallet, my phone in my pockets on my jacket and not in my backpack. It's waterproof. God damn it, it's raining real good. Yeah, we're about to try rain mode. Take this corner at the speeds I'm used to. Let's flip this over. Mode A, B, C, D. Power level 4, traction control 5, SCS 3, and suspension mode 3. So as soft as it comes. This is supposed to knock the power down a lot on this bike as well. Texas weather sucks for this and this alone. It was almost 100 degrees up until an hour ago. Then all these clouds started forming and now we're looking at thunderstorms with 1-inch hail and 75-mile-per-hour wind gusts for the next 5 hours. Oh, that clutch feels terrible in rain mode. Oh, the throttle response feels terrible in rain mode. Oh my god, it's got no power. Rain mode sucks. We'll see. It feels nice though. Going from riding in 100-degree weather for the last like month, this 70 degrees is not bad. It's saying 78 degrees right here on my instrument cluster. I will take that. I just wish there wasn't sky water falling, damn it. Yeah, this thing has no throttle response right now. I'm holding it about 50% and it's not giving me anything. The rain's okay. I'm okay with the rain. If I start feeling hail, I'm finding somewhere to take cover at, because hail in a car is terrifying. I don't want to know what hail at 50 miles an hour on a bike with no wind protection feels like. That sounds absolutely terrible. Would pull over and try and wait this storm out, but I don't think it's letting up anytime soon. I mean, it's coming from that way and it's a lot darker over there than it is here right now, so might as well take my chances, get home and as dry as I could. I really hope that wasn't wet paint. This sucks though. I'm taking this bike to a bike show tomorrow and now it's going to have all these hard water spots all over it. They must have changed something with that quick shift as well. I think it's shifting slow now that it's in rain mode. I'm more worried about riding in the rain just because of these people here around me and this being the kind of road that it is. Last thing I want somebody to try and hit the brakes too late and end up hitting oil on the ground and sliding right into the back of me. That's something that terrifies me, is just getting hit from behind while on this bike. Little to no warning. Whiplash like a son of a bitch. I'm gonna have to wash this entire jacket so it doesn't mold. I don't know if you're going to see anything. I forgot that I had my ND filter on and did not bring a different lens. So either this video is going to turn out really dark or you ain't going to be able to see shit out of it. Oh. God, that throttle response is ass. That's wide open throttle. Sorry, I'm trying to turn my head so I can use the wind to push some of this water off of my helmet. God damn it, another red light. Oh, I feel water coming up the seat onto my ass. That doesn't feel good. When we get out from behind these people, I'm keep getting misted by their cars. Yeah, the water that's coming up off my rear tire is slinging right onto my back. I can feel the entire backside of my helmet. The whole back of my backpack is wet. This is not fun. At least it's not raining hard. It's just a steady, like heavy drizzle or light, steady heavy drizzle or a steady light rain. It's just that annoying amount of water. I wish it was still as dry as it was when I left work, where there wasn't any rain falling and the roads were relatively dry. It was just humid. Yeah, as soon as I get home, I'm changing this thing back out of rain mode. But I will say, rain mode that's very convenient. Not only for situations like this, but if you were going to start riding on an MT-10 or an MT-10 SP of this new generation, this Mode D makes it to where, I mean, you've got to try to slide or try to do a wheelie, because it's not going to stand up like it does in A mode or B mode. This thing, you have to wrap it out to get any sort of response from it. So if you were a newer rider or somebody that's not quite comfortable yet with the kind of power that this bike offers, this D mode 4 or rain mode does its job. I don't know if you can see it, it's just a light drizzle now. It never fails, you know, I'm trying to get home in a rush. Every red light. I think I've gone through one that was still green once I got to it. Every light I get to is red, so I'm just sitting here soaking up the rain. I bet you if I threw this thing back up to power mode A or B like I've been riding in, every time I go to shift gears or accelerate off a line, it would just be blowing the tire off of it. See, that's wide open throttle in third gear. That's usually standing up a little bit if not just taking off. And there, it just, the throttle response, I think you're not getting more than 65% maybe in this mode. And of that 65 that you're getting, it's a super slowed down rate. Yeah, it won't even try and slide right now. If I did that in any other power mode, this thing's either standing up or blowing the back tire off of it, and it doesn't even want to attempt to do either one of those. So, I mean, props to Yamaha. That does exactly what it's supposed to do. Rain mode works as advertised, and for a bike of this power and performance, I appreciate that a lot, because I don't know about other countries, but I know here in the States, anybody who has deep enough pockets can go down to the Yamaha dealership and pick this bike up brand new. So the fact that some less experienced people can go and pick this bike up is what's scary. This bike is not a new level or new rider's bike, but in this power mode, it can be. Okay, either these raindrops are getting heavier or it's getting colder and turning into ice, because these shits are starting to hurt. This road's usually really slick anyway, just because of all the tar that they've put down to fix the cracks. Ooh, I'm gonna need to out accelerate these people, because I see a lot of standing water right up there on the shoulder. Power mode C. Give me a little bit more power. A little better feeling out of the throttle. Traction control and slide control are still turned way up, so we'll see how this feels. That feels better, but did you see that? It starts to slide. Slide control starts kicking in. That's what I mean. Power mode D is perfect for situations like this, because I mean, you see how snappy that throttle is even in power mode 3. So power mode 1, I don't even want to think about it.